Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the mobile height adjustable laptop desk with mousepad, a versatile and space-saving solution for your home or office needs. This portable desk features a compact design, measuring just 22 inches deep, 12 inches wide, and 22 inches high, making it perfect for small spaces like living rooms or bedrooms. With an adjustable height range from 22 to 30 inches, the laptop tray can tilt up to 160 degrees and rotate a full 360 degrees, offering you maximum flexibility and comfort. Safety is a priority with rounded corners to prevent injuries and an edge stopper to keep your laptop secure. The desk also includes locking wheels, allowing you to easily secure it next to a sofa, recliner, or even a wheelchair, making it ideal for home or hospital use. Remember to follow the installation instructions carefully and ensure all screws are tightened. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this desk enhances your workspace. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.